Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti pu 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 pu.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Ilami ngihambe khona ngale ngeminya.
Kuyinkonoko kanti.
Asilaleni nga 44 Mikey wa.
Right. No, but you were using an app.
Dope mic. Go look at the mic. Dope phela mic.
Bandonsile ndoda. Ungaba lekhanda lendlala, lekhanda lokudonso.
Mike.
Dope mic be. Hey. Dope mic man.
Oh yes. You talk to me afterwards.
Guys, did you see?
Ifakela ama beats.
Oh no, not at his cover.
Shut up, man.
What up guys? Last week was sitshengise lesibhono man. Sitshengise le navel.
It's the ladies.
And are we okay? Are we good?
Yeah, guys, I've been recording all this time.
Whoa!
Yeah, the show started, dog. I've been recording. You gonna see the dope mic.
Is it done?
Yeah.
done?
Yeah, it's on. Say
Can
something.
you hear me?
Yeah.
My name is Darshan.
Nice to meet you.
This guy is he's a passenger princess. He doesn't do anything. Hi, I'm Kabelo. I paid for the trip. Mina ngithi hi.
Mike.
Jane.
What did she say?
Mike.
If you're gonna
Hi, I'm Kabelo. I paid for the flights. Then that guy's like, hi, I'm Darshan.
Like he does nothing at all. He does fuck all. So that's my response to everything now.
Uyakhumbula lena ezozihamba sithi you have a nice car, what do you do for a living? Balanda omunye umama evanga 911. Obviously I'm married.
That's a beautiful response. I actually saw there's this guy who said he hates black women because he said white women don't beg for money. And all the white girls commented, Uchi, this is what I got from my 2 divorces. I got married so that I don't pay for anything.
What the fuck?
My mom told me I should look for a financial king. I don't work. I don't what. If only you knew what it costs to stay blonde. I didn't know it's expensive to keep your hair blonde. I didn't know. I just thought you had tatty.
Let's
That's an insult.
what she's saying kind of touches our question of the day, ne? Oh, okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
But le skincare to abachanga calamine lotion pen.
have you seen?
But I bleach my asshole ever on Kanye then. Will I have an asshole on my t-shirt? What you gonna do Kanye?
Don't know.
What
I
if
just
you bleach
know.
your asshole?
If something like that.
No, I don't. What does it say?
Father stretch my hands, huh?
I can't remember.
Advelo waqala kudala into yakhe.
Yeah,
Khulu.
Did you see tweet yanamusha? Say the reason why I put dental wires. People thought it's for, people put those things for their teeth. Why did just to stop myself from sucking teeth?
I'm using it.
I swear. That's what he tweeted today. And I was defending, but
Ask channel la chumla.
Now easy make it.
Kana sesifuna ukubukela nje. Yabe
mina sengibukele ukuthi wadefend uDrake wethu.
Mafoti uzivali face ngemic. Yehlisa imic
No,
uhlale
I was reading something.
uhlale ukhwele lapha
I was telling you
esitulweni.
something.
Usumncane kulo Jane Karis. Baza kuqala kuma comments. You
Umncane kulo
look
Jesu,
literally umncane kulo Jane ku.
Avele
Hlala like chest out.
Mana
boss.
phela ngisafakiswa
Like someone who's highly opinionated. Like someone who's always right.
Sengifosed
Sit
because
like someone who's-
sengifosed ukuhlala so uthi ndlingana noma-40 because ngangihlezi ngingaka.
It's not my fault.
No, it actually is.
No,
Turns
it's
out
not my
it
fault.
is.
It's not my fault.
Sesizakufakela i-cushion ma-40 pants.
It's not my
Ngiyabona ama-40 emuntu next week sebehlezi phezu kwe-cushion.
He's laughing, but the episode the score will be even.
Nah,
scores that
We got saved during Easter.
Yeah, 40
I don't
That's what I
do
say.
Easter.
40
You
is a
don't
good
do
guy.
Easter?
Mm.
Why?
I don't do Easter now.
Such a ma-40
You're not
thing to
Christian
say.
anymore.
Sorry?
You're not Christian
I'm a
anymore.
Christian, but I don't do Easter.
You don't believe in Easter.
I want to pop uhlala bezinto omnyama wathi wangicaphula.
Ingce uthi umntwana wayelesikweleti sakhe.
No wonder why it died. I got gone.
maroma sorinias labe litshala lifelwa
Ah,
nje
langa lezo.
lafelwa ngupop so pop kuthiwa ufele 8 years
Mm.
so zange
Ah, batsho njalo.
zange
Before esiva.
Oh.
Is it like that? Oh,
Yeah,
vele
it happens.
uyabungazazi
You can either
uzange.
choose
No, you're not.
at some
You're
point.
not. You're
Yeah, I
not-
thought I had to pop while they bounce at some point.
No, but you're not allowed to get into the thing if you've never, because you're supposed to know what you're sacrificing.
Yeah, it's true. Then
because
she
you take a vow of celibacy.
Karoni uthi ubounce bungena ama-bounce abhepha kade.
Ah.
Amabhounce cotton swabo. Amabhounce cotton swabo.
Uthi ama-bouncer. So uthi uphopho eli-bouncer.
Let me verify.
Into zokusebenzela emnyango yokungena vele ngathi uyazithanda.
yeah
No, bengikhuluma umnyango ukungena ezulwini angaso ngicabanga. Ukuthi wasuka emnyango webhawa waye emnyango ezulwini.
What did I say?
Apparently, he was more of a progressive pop than most pops.
bese befuna ukuvumelana kanje ngakafe
Utabani.
likely
But I
Yeko.
think he wasn't pro. He wasn't.
Ngifuna ukuyangena
We need
ku-comparison box.
Why
we
he
need to
was just
we need to
say
fact check
anything.
this thing
He was
yeah.
gray area. No, he was.
was a bounce.
Yeah.
He was gray area.
oh
Hey,
So it's not too late for any of us, though.
To what?
yeah
To do something with our lives.
oh kari mina ngizwe ngani ukuthi upop wayele bounce
Awuneqeda
kanti
itshefu
wayeli
wena.
was
Yeah,
it
so-
a bounce?
so he likely bebbed
He bounced.
yeah he like oh
Wajinja, waqalisa ingenisa abafana, waqede sengena
Those
abafana.
guys, that guy,
I killed
secret guy, they're called Swedish. What?
House
they're not-
mafia.
No, what are they?
there was
What
a
are they
time
called? Swiss what?
Talking to my Swedish.
They're called Swiss what?
Is what his security?
Security.
I have no idea.
It's called Swiss something. I don't know. Sure.
Swiss
something.
Swiss
And apparently you have to be a virgin
always
to be part
members
of
in
it.
Myanmar
You have to be a virgin to be part of it.
How do you test
Really?
someone's virginity
Yeah.
like a guy?
You just take their word for it. to
Just
be
take their word
honest,
for it.
Imagine taking a man's word for something.
though. Ngathi angathi uphopho now.
So when are they choosing the next one? The process.
they're still working on it yeah talk
starts
to
after 14 days of mourning, right?
nigga.
Did you guys watch that movie Conclave?
Yeah,
yet.
yeah.
Did
I watched it. Oh,
And
if that's true, it most likely
that is true.
clearly politics is a Roma, bro.
Uzawisi.
Politics is in
Ah, vele ngani amadoda amaningi anganjileyo.
Kwakuhamba njani
Politics is
manje
up.
I haven't watched it yet.
Conclave is with these elective cardinals. Not all cardinals. There are certain number of cardinals that are sit to elect a pope.
So nxa uphopho esefile siyama nxa sesiqede ukukhala then sesichaya ikhabhali sokuvotela omutsha. So
Number rounds are going actually.
amani
I actually saw somewhere they said ukuthi abantu labana abayenza ama predictions about ama-pope right from the 18 whatever. But after this one dies, the world ends.
Yeah, because what they said was that after John
But
Paul,
we post
only
that 2020.
after John Paul, there are only gonna be 2 popes after that.
man, who's your source, bro?
Tina
Dude,
kudala sakhula kwakuthiwa.
I saw a documentary on TV some years ago.
Oh.
Tina kudala sakhula kwakuthiwa umhlaba yaphela ngo-2000.
What about 2012?
2012.
Oh,
Aye,
the
but
2012.
mani,
I believe that shit.
I can actually tell you guys why go to 2000 to 2012 is because the calendar had changed. If you guys know, it switched to Gregorian calendar. We're actually not sure what year we're in, but in the period of the last 15 to 18 years, really since 2000, we've been living in an era where the Mayan calendar ends, and there's we also change we're moving into a new constellation because we just came from the constellation of Pisces. That's why Messiah, we previous constellation, we were fishers of men. And so we're now moving to a constellation Aquarius. So in period is very there's gonna be a change or a new world order. But people have just been getting the date wrong. But it's supposed to be happening now. I think it could have been also in Zagala. Some say it was an actual change, like earthquake. It's just a change in new energy or it's
AI.
Eon.
And you can actually feel the shift. In
Yeah, we're in
energy.
a different.
So what if God sithetha abakhe
I wouldn't
which
be surprised.
is which makes
But if you
sense
read-
because abaseleyan
But if you don't you doesn't the Bible say 144,000 will go to like to heaven?
144,000 what
That could be true.
people.
Yeah.
So doing
to
all
heaven.
this shit for
And it says,
nothing.
and it says, a new Jerusalem shall come. It doesn't necessarily say 144 are the only 1,144,000 are the saved ones.
Jacob Zuma.
It only says, ukuthi a new Jerusalem will come, but a new Jerusalem
Oh,
will come. But the 144,000 abane yabazahamba beyebusa lo nkulunkulu.
I'm a 40.
nasezulwini
You got that one wrong. Second coming, I think they were trying to say whenever the second coming is going to happen, it's going to be like 144,000 pure ones or something like that.
No.
But then there's going to be others as well. Then they'll come back after 1,000 years. That's when the new
guys just said
Jerusalem will
that.
come down.
Yeah, you
But
said that.
first, we have bathatha hambela behlala 1,000. then
144,000.
144,000
from
can be people who are going to be alive. It's kind of a figure, I think, who are
Yebo.
pure as well.
24
But kulabantu abazavuka phela bafile abazahamba ndoda.
So the
But
144,000
inam
are
inam
taken
yakhona
from
incane kakhulu.
12,000
Yeah,
12,000
yeah.
right, are taken from each tribe of Israel. 12 sons like Jacob.
Once it's combined.
Yeah, yeah.
That's how they are coming out.
So kusiba rabbit hole, but anyway.
I'm saying the
anyway.
144,000 are chosen from like that, from the
I
12
just
tribes
know
of.
none of you niggas
of
here
Israel.
no one.
Yeah, because they're chosen from the 12 tribes.
Ama-Jews lokho uyazi ngoba bakutshela ukuthi bona iBhayibheli labo lithi each bazavale 800 slaves each and ama-800 slaves asevela is it 800 I think maybe I got the number wrong but basebekithi thina nto yithi goyim thina yithi kuthiwa siyi-human cattle so thina saba ngama
No, abantu ezulwini bayabelingana ntoni. Akula muntu oyislave so.
kari nangu umbuzo ezulwini uyafika umuntu uhamba nge-age afake iyo yini usakho ufika ezulwini likhehla doko
Thwani zaba lemzimba emitsha phela.
I know they said you get a new body there.
Yeah, thwani zaba lemzimba emitsha.
akube njalo
That's why I'm not gonna bother
Jane.
going to the gym.
So
'cause I'm
same
gonna be
age.
fit as hell.
Same age zone.
In heaven.
ngoba kunelokhuyana nje ukuthi
So laba weekend
This.
laba weekend bayabela ama 6 pack ezulwini. Jimeli yara la. Jimeli ubala. Jimeli ubala.
ufalani kokuthi ubaba bakho engafele 40 wena ufule 82 so ngasufika sumdala kulo yihle ezulwini
Hayi ezabo Cape Breeze hayi but
But everyone offer ezulwini.
but abahambayo ke
Akula muntu osezulwini vele kathesi.
abakhona.
Banga.
Banga basendaweni.
Kulo bani? Kulo Moses lo Enoch.
Mana kutshela ukuthi
Zikhona ezathathwayo. Kulo Moses lo Enoch lo bani?
Sometimes bakhanuka
ngibala kuthiwa hayi uyabukhana ukugrieve.
Hayi bafile but zikhona imember
Ku-spiritual
bazithathayo.
world akula monogamous relationship so abathanda ubufebe ngale vele bebe awuthandani nomuntu oyi-one. You have multiple partners. Yes. So if let's say
Ichurch
your
zibi
wife
samunoenda
dies, when she
imimi.
gets there she has 4, 5, 6 plus.
Right,
Akhola
Jane.
yandri.
Kanti vele othomla abezincisha i-sex lapha emhlabeni uthola ukuthi banjisa iphokophoko ukuthi mdala idire liphambili ungawoni i-appetite lapha ngabo-MJ amangibantu esomelele ngale
Ayizwi.
yazifana lami undithole ngilani labanani ukuze benendlubu emoteni but ngihle ngathi mana ngani
Indlubu lezi yanozithetha nga.
That is so
Uzithengile kumbe ubuyela zendlini?
random.
yes
That is very
Uzithengile?
random.
yes
I just lost the debate. I just fucking lost the debate. Ubuyela zendlini? All right.
but angisazanga because bengikwazi ukuthi lapha engiyakhona
Okay.
yabo kule supermeal
Okay.
yiko phela utsho
Plastic, ama plastic lana ngani ziyathengiswa athethe nga.
Athi mina ngiyathengisa nje uyakwazi ukuthi mina ngihlala ngoplastic endlini.
Okay.
Thengisani?
All right.
Kuyini engakuthengisile mina?
You
Ngiyathengisa
sell
imibhidi.
license.
lezana ziphekhele ngani uzithenge somewhere leziya ama-plastic la anawubhokozwanga so even thesikhala ukuthi
Kanti ikhala
Yeah,
yini
ukuthi
ibhoza?
ngoyophekileyo.
Because ngobhoboza isikhala nje uyabuza 20
It's
town.
professional,
Mina checking amaphepha even lana cocaine ngilawo. Because ngiyathengisa le crushed chilies. Come buy your crushed chilies from me. Yakwazi efam give me hedge one side libile.
Oh.
Tshwali yaxotsha inyoka ibile.
Hayi.
But banenyoka nale bantu.
Not
Akula
not
makhaza
not
efanele.
Yiba baxosa inyoka.
No.
Oh,
You don't get it, do you?
asekusile. Yeah, but anyway. Ngakhuluma ngendlubu laba lamabili ebili. Maybe because what is the reason behind ukuthi amajarana azincishe bawonde? Obona bathi kuya cloudy i-judgment.
Actually,
Lamajutelana athi kona ngingashaya ibhombu lapha ngithola ama-virgin angu-10 amilileyo.
27 mdala 10.
Yabona?
Mina I hope yakwazi
Kule inye ikhathawe ka family ka members ekhona lo thola kungela ama virgin. Umsindo ovusa. Awuvusa umsindo wagijima abantu ndodo.
mina I hope ngawufika khona le at least kulama body types atshiyeneyo ngoba
uthoyakhetha umzimba wakho.
yeah yabo ngoba
Oh.
You choose the body you want. That's
hayi
why
but ngithi
I will choose a flat stomach in heaven.
So bonani bonani mina ngakhetha
But-
kuba isidudla.
ujesu lapha
Hayi
wathi
ukhetha
sifa lamanye.
okufunayo.
ujesu wathi sifa watshela
Okay.
umjona today I'll be with you in paradise.
No, I surely I tell you today, comma, I'll be with you in paradise. My 40, come on, you can't be going back to all this nonsensical shit.
I know that ingozi lo hayi.
No, but what
So
but
today ngokuthi I tell you today.
I'm telling you today,
Hayi,
I'll
movie
give you
khoma
money.
nina.
I surely tell you today, I'll give you money. It
I
doesn't
didn't-
mean I'll give you money today,
I
but
like
I'll
it,
give
like
you money.
Yeah.
Let's just movie khoma ya phambi kwa today.
Nyambona.
Not even.
Ikhoma
Open
yona
your
yenye
Bible,
about
dog.
today.
Open
Zonga-
your Bible, dog.
Zanza.
Ndingakwazi
Surely I
Ask
tell
your
you,
ChatGPT.
comma, today you
Today
will be
you
in
will
paradise.
be.
No.
Surely I tell you today,
Comma.
you.
Exactly.
sabatha libali u-orange white nalibali
But I could
No, mina ngazabala Ellen G. White, but I know the Bible, dog. So come on, guys.
Blazi yangu apata kujuta.
Yeah, all I 18. Let's just get
Let's
maybe.
buy Zakuna,
Let's
let's
get
buy Zakuna.
KJV because it's like the
But
most,
ngazo-
it's the
at
closest
different
to the original shit.
Akula
King James.
comaless version la.
You see now what you're trying to
These
do.
are spicy,
You see now
Zara.
what you're trying to do. Guys, King James kind of yes
John.
Tuzan. King James is the
Wakakatana
closest
nje.
one.
But King James ingozi ngoba ikhaba sebechinja khona izinto.
but translate
Yep.
that's the closest to
And yabo, very I say unto thee today.
Ukomuka.
No. Let's
Man, asicela ubone
even
ikhoma.
the English of it is off here because it's a KJV.
How?
guys.
Wathini bala futhi.
ah
Verily I say unto thee, comma, today shall thou be with me. in
Wona
paradise.
wofake kwikhoma.
No, guys.
Uvula ichechi
Wayamtshela-
mfana.
Hey, wayamtshela ngedale lona le,
Uvula
guys.
ichechi. That was
He literally
convincing.
mean.
He
He
had that
literally
day.
meant
I
that
was
day.
telling them.
He had us
I
say
got you,
very-
niggas. Yeah. Dinga
So,
ku
what was
RSV.
But uyabona
So
khona
change-
kuyahle kusivuleli i-can of worms ukuthi
Exactly.
the
It's
difference
always
a comma
open.
can do
Yeah.
in
context
So uJesu athe esifa before resurrection wahamba waya ezulwini. That night antsho Friday. Wahamba waya ezulwini phela.
Wathi namuhla
antsho
siyangena.
eparadise.
wathi namhla siyangena phela.
Yabona isense yena ukuthi kahambanga ngoba yena uthi ephuma wathi mina bengilaphana manje.
Malunde. Walala ma.
Shame Malunde.
Ngobani lo? Nguluk. Look.
Uyabona ukuthi doctrine yachinja ngokhoma.
Nje.
So imagine if they could change events, dates, names.
bapama nizofaka ukoma bapama nizotranslate izinto
Ngoba ngekhoma lapha sesilama doctrine ngo2 ahlukeneyo. Lo
Exactly.
sisevuya ki-church.
Exactly.
Ki-church ithi ungenwa namuhla ezulwini. I-church uthi ubhoru ezulwini. How's that for religion? So
you are still saying when you point yakho
angazi wenzithini?
afara adinga ikoma yakho
Awusadingi ikhoma.
Kana ama-drinks uthweni nga?
As
bakhohlwa umtshela ukuthi ahambise babemthe 1 hour lapha
Hayi. ngiyagcina mbija bit.
No, ngathuja bazamtshela ukuthi
Kulenye series othiwa Rumi that I was watching, where this guy, he's a Muslim, but he's in the modern day, so he's trying to balance between Islam. Is it called Rumi? Yeah, I think it's called Rumi. He's trying to balance between Islam and
One
being
year.
a modern day
Yeah,
guy in the
comment.
UK.
other side.
So what he does is, they need money to renovate the mosque. I think it's called a mosque, right? If you're in Islam, and then he has to billionaire who's also like who prays at that same mosque. So my figure ngene endlini kaChomla ethola uChomla esithi hi my meleli Chomla wait he's in his office. Then the guy comes out, and then before the guy comes out, Mia Khalifa comes out. So Mia Khalifa, and then Mia Khalifa sits there and talks to him. Oh, sharp. Then was Mia Khalifa, have you watched any of my videos? Then the guy,
Oh, hell to the fucking no.
ngizwabandele.
I don't
Yeah, coma can change a lot of things.
so this guy after Mia Khalifa talks and then leaves, and then he goes now to go see the billionaire, and then the billionaire is like, oh, you saw Miss Khalifa outside. So he says I don't know if it's in Islam or it's in his culture. They believe the reason men are not sexually attracted to their mothers is because you were breastfed by your mom. So Konkia makes you family in a way you would. So that guy was actually hiring Mia Khalifa to come to his house, and yeah, he was whoever talking to Kako Kona.
Olwakhe.
Mia Khalifa.
Ulabantwana.
Mia Khalifa, because
kidding me.
he's saying in the thing, he found himself going down a rabbit hole where he was so attracted to Mia Khalifa. He used to watch his videos all the time.
So he did. So he thought doing that is gonna
Yeah, he was saying now that I've drank a milk, she's like my
eat
mother.
him full.
But
and
does she have
shout.
kids?
And surely.
Why
I
do
cannot-
uthatha ngapho uchago nakhona?
Wena.
Yazi ibhukaki gangbang kuyakwenzani wena umzimba uyangena ku-fast forward uzitshela this bitch must be on her fourth baby by now.
He did not just say that.
To breastfeed. How else was she able to?
You see how it would take coming Tanjan.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's the difference between fuck the Pope
Yep.
and fuck, the
The
Pope.
So yeah. It's one of those.
I don't know. Oh, no. He actually does answer. He said he's rich, so he could get her to induce lactation.
Mm.
Oh.
Yeah. So he induced
The
lactation.
tablets and
Yeah,
injections.
so he was saying, yeah. So surely I cannot sleep with my own mother.
So fun.
It's a very funny series.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
so
Have you
Konke
guys
lokhu
seen?
kuqale ngoba sikhuluma ukuthi uPope ufile.
I mean, religion's on the table. So Lina, who's your bet for the next pope? Alama odds lapha bafana bemos.
Mbone ngani kulabantu ababhethayo though.
I
I
know
feel
there's
like they might put
there
a
was
black
talk of
man.
a black guy. There was a talk of that American guy who was handling the whole thing. Was handling the whole funeral thing. And there's a talk of this Italian guy who's actually
Verdetti.
popular. Who's actually very popular. And there's a Japanese also guy whose name was
A
thrown in
Japanese
there.
Christian also.
But
is
now, for you to be a pope, you just need to be a person who was baptized and confirmed in the Roman Catholic Church.
and then you rise up the ranks.
Yeah, they just stopped doing it. No, they just stopped doing it. It can be anyone. They just decided.
Even umuntu ongazange waba yipriest.
Yeah, you just have to.
But
Go,
man,
they
that's
just
it,
changed it. They just changed it because if you live in history of popes, we're blind. Kulo pope corrupt. There's a whole lot of popes who did. So that's why they ended up saying, okay, let's just choose within the cardinals. You know, my cardinals there's a certain number of cardinals that actually go and sit.
Where does the Catholic Church have such bad rep?
It's there because that's the history. You know what I like about them? They don't hide it.
Are you teaching it?
They hide
it.
No,
What are you saying?
they don't hide it like that. They don't hide it like that. It's history on Game Pops today. The origins and what is there. Like it's there. The history of the Pope.
But do you think they
Also,
Mafoti wena ungena eRoma
Roma?
mana into engibuza yona Mafoti
Every
ukuthi wena
church iyafihla izinto.
ukhuluma as umuntu phela awuso Roman wena phela awuso Catholic. So history nale you're saying is there, but how far or to what extent do they then share that lama concrete.
Not only that,
No, in history, like, what was happening? Like,
Yeah, but
because
not
it
only
was,
that.
it was what was happening.
Lalela.
Yeah.
In
history
anyway,
around the corner, but do you see ZANU-PF actively saying, yeah, this was happening? No.
you went deep there, buddy.
Yeah,
true.
I really went to deep. So history yeah dog, but you won't see abo priest la befundisa even abantwana abancane abasafunda iRoma ukuthi sake saba lo pope
That's why I'm asking, why does it get such bad rap? Like,
Now you get the rap you earn, dog.
Yeah.
You heard me.
Angizwanga, like,
I say you get the rap you earn. They earn that rap. You don't know about the Crusades.
And
What was the Roman
the
Catholic?
Crusades.
I know, I know.
This
all
cut
those
is
things,
a-
but guys,
That's like a
hakuna
kukura
hakuna
wundi.
shishing elama-
Yeah.
It's actually
what was
worse.
it called?
That's a West.
What's it called? The
It's
the
actually
Spanish
worse.
Crusades, right?
It's actually worse.
Those ones, bro.
That shit was wild. Wawubulawela iheresy. What's iheresy win?
Oh, that time.
yeah.
Yikho kwabula khona lama
Abafazi.
Ama-witches.
disciples kaJesu
They
wabulala.
were not even.
Thina vele indaba yethu yekhoma le kube sesisungiwe songena sesihamba. Ikhoma le
Ama disciples kaJesu phela la abulala kabuhlungu ndoda. Eziningi zakhona.
Those,
Some were even crucified upside down, dog.
those crusades, my crusades.
I think that yikho bathi dark ages or some shit.
there's another term for it that I'm forgetting to think of.
Yikho. Can you look it up?
There's a
Just fact check. Like niggas want to beat us kuma comments.
So
Always
lalela,
talking
lalela.
shit here. with
Mina
fact
ipoint
checking.
le ukuthi some of this history they bring it up now. It's easy to bring it up in retrospect, especially if you're using it as a marketing tool to say we are now a clean organization.
Yeah.
So it's like, but mina ngachai cocaine. You've heard pastors stand on stage and talk about because now it builds into the rap now. ukuthi, Oh, I have turned this
Makes
thing
them
around.
relatable as well.
Yes.
Twanga ngistaba madodha.
I'm not gay no more. I love women
That
now.
was an LMNOP. Now I'm straight.
Nah, our time is coming that sizachia khona amapia.
Ubutabane.
Amapia.
There's a-
Siseva mamaBhayibheli. Say
Say it. This is a safe space.
The Zimbabwean constitution does not explicitly ban homosexuality.
doesn't.
What?
It doesn't even say anything about homosexuality.
Any?
It's Zimbabwean constitution.
That's
It
what
only-
that's what
it
I've been
only-
telling people all
it
this time.
It only bans same-sex marriages and Sodom. But it will never say, don't be a homosexual or we'll arrest you. No. If you kiss another guy, you'll be arrested for indecent exposure.
Tina,
Just as much as you kiss
So,
another,
that's
if you
what I
kiss
was
a girl in
saying.
public, you can get arrested for indecent exposure. in
Really?
Zimbabwe.
Yeah. So
didn't
you
get
literally have to be caught in the act.
have to
Njengalezi
be
as a
caught in
paid
the
breach abathiwa
was
bazilandele
it one?
toilet.
Was it paid breach? Ah, kunezinye engazibona zikhethwa in the act.
Just bona wena.
Nah, the full life, my boy.
Yeah.
Live fair uTsepo sengawufazi uTsepo nguye ozomlamulela uThoma khona. Sebemenzani ndoda?
Ngobani?
I was out fashailaring at some spot as I go into the toilet ngithola amajita amephezu kwama-urinal athi akhangele ngale phakathi kwestore khaya ngomunye wazibona
Yabona
zinto.
lapha eTrigger House. What was that? There was a club there. I said Trigger House lapha.
Savannah.
Savannah. I remember I went into the toilet and
So abantu ngigama isitori semasiqedi. Ukhuluma isitori esifana.
I was still tap one walamula.
Hamba right sharp.
Hayi sifuna istory ndoda. Siya tracker kade
According to
sisasebhaku.
Trigger House,
Sorry.
right? Laphana ethi Savannah ngiyacema. Kwangena umnye uthi anyone needs an assistant ngavala izipha nje. Anyone needs an assistant ngavala nje ngaphuma nje. And umntu lokho asondela khona. I'm telling you bro.
Nah, it was-
Ethi kaloku yimka.
It was drunk banter, bro.
Nigga, you
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Jake, so uthi kuhamba njani?
Ngabona umsebe emkhipha. Bebakhipha beyi-2. Wathi babadonsela phandle. Masifika phandle lapha mina ngithola uTsepo uhlezi ngithi Tsepo. Remember labana I think isithole istatue eziyi-2. uTsepo is always ready to watch some free action. Ngiyamazi. uTsepo Rodrigo balandela isela liba nje 2-3 streets. Ephume ehamba uTsepo phandle phenduke esithi je utsho mina ngiceze ngimlamulela.
Hayi
Kuthiwa basebemudla phandle, not in the way he would have wanted.
Phandle.
Basebemudla phandle.
bonke bethu basebachaya.
Athi omunye odla phansi.
Eish.
Hey cabanga nje.
So kumele ube lejubana.
Lizwile bantu bezimbabwe lapho uthi ungabi isitaba ungena juba.
Hey, yo, I didn't say that.
I'm not watching it.
Yeah.
Uyisitaba
One
nezinjani
of the
ezingena
two.
juba ne?
Yeah, kumele ube lejubane
I'm fine
lompopo.
again, fethu.
Because homophobia is rife here. So you need to protect yourself, nigga. Cover your back.
Can you imagine the embarrassment if you caught two homosexuals in the act and you try to fight them and they beat you up?
And they beat the shit
And
out of
after, and
you.
after beating you up,
Yeah, actually bayakuchaya.
No.
I'm just
Uyakwazi ukuthi
I knew he was going to take it.
sengubhuji ingakashaya ubhoyiti yashaya umakhelwane bangama-homophobe zami kuyihlasela beyidu
Yebo.
ile case inye aso so
Ayikubhuji,
bakhonisa ukudabura vele because those are men, bro. What do you expect their muscles to do?
I mean, yeah. Actually,
Bakuchaya vele so ngawudelela izitabani la delela obolingana ziqinako la
khisa khona nyabona uzondanga.
Hey.
Asithoma senegoli bayajikita khona nyabona uzondanga.
kwakunesiyela kuti umarudhure emapopo araichonese jera isibhawu kuti wasingasenzere ufuna awela awungise ari voice encane awungise ngasusuthi ari He's dead now.
So lawo
abamazi umarudula
unganushaye
moment umalume aqazuke ngizichechi waqazuka kona manje inkunza so
flashback.
How?
yeah
No.
umarudula kuma-comments ngale kwazi umarudulela isitshe
What you accuse lo marutu?
ichomilezi ikhipha amazazi zibekhipha oya
amasela kuphela the whole family amasela kuphela
family
amakazi
bros.
wakhe bro
Generational
generational
whatever.
wealth
Ubani
shita sewomile
umshita lona nga Mana,
I'm
let's
sure
just try people. Let's
What's
peep in
important
close.
dlula?
as long as
Indlu bezithengiwe.
it's fine.
Ah, my change.
but speak of all power check gorilla is 100 men
Yeah. No.
As
Let's
I've been
not
seeing that around,
let's
I
not
don't even know what
let's
it's
not
about.
preempt. Let's just ask each other, then we give people context. Who do you think would win the fight? Full grown men by 100. Lay one silverback. Utin. Before we chop it
I
up.
think gorilla might win
Gorilla might win.
Put a
too.
grom gorilla
Jane, what do you think?
to tear them
I
up.
think the gorilla would win because, like, if it, let's say you guys are fighting against it, then it kills you. Do you think he would go next in line?
Not line. Phela nike kule strategy. Siyathuma forte ngihamba phambili thina maybe sesilincwebiseni.
Without using any weapons, just bare hands.
Ngiyafika nilincwebiseni.
Akula stina, akula ni.
Mina.
Akula stini.
There's no weapons.
Mina ngithe ngiyathi
But 100
inkayi
is a lot,
isendlisi. 100 is a lot of people.
Yeah, 100 is a lot.
But maybe kuyasala bayi-10. Problem. Because I think... No.
Mike, him down.
Stay, we'll chop it up afterwards. Opinions first. What do you think, please?
Yeah, Mina, I also team gorilla.
All right. I'm also Team Korea. Unfortunately. Kumele speak is an podcast, but unfortunately...
I'm Team Korea.
Anyway.
How?
So
And
let's...
it's 10 big
It's fine. I'll stand in the shoes of people who are saying people could win. So that we at least have an argument here, discussion.
Yeah,
Mafoti as Lumani indlebe la ku
No, no,
podcast
no.
HR ayikuvumi khona.
uhlezi umgcina lezo miklipo uthi bari kuyithe aba. Mina into awu. Uma futhi utshengisa ukuzipono.
Kela. No. At some point, man.
Pono thize la.
Guys,
Ngibona abantu ku Twitter la ngani basayidela 100 people. A lot of people are sayidela.
but it's actually such a balanced
Manje
debate.
volume
Dog.
is-
Like there's
It's
equal
good
people,
enough.
but yeah, it's such a balanced
Mina,
debate.
where I saw where people were actually like, okay, where the people might win. Ora wanda zichama list ukuthi nansi yami 100. Hayi indoda eziqanjela fana. Alafana siyaphuma lapha. Bekona bo Braun Strowman labo Deontay Wilder ngathi
Labo
labo
great
siyaphuma.
card,
Ngathi labo siyaphuma.
labo Maki Henry.
But I felt like at first the premise was 100 men, the gorilla. And niggas were going out of their way to get as strong, like the strongest of niggas, but the gorilla was still average.
From that dancing nigga. Don't be a dummy.
Not only that,
Alright.
Amachida says it. if amajite be-focused wonke umuntu isibele strategy, who are these mentally superman niggas that you guys are talking about who will be able to watch 20 niggas get ripped to shreds and still going? We don't have those niggas walking around. If we're talking 100 niggas, when also when Gorilla is 15,
vela not 15 oyi-1 bangabamba ikhanda and into leyana kuthiwa i-grip yalo iclo yalo yakwanisa ukukhipha ilimb so ungabona oyi-1
Ini?
your limbs
Okay.
so ulimi
Something
so
like
wena
that.
lingathi lisithi intswe ifight behle bebamba uCapri's bamzombula isandla ubone isiqonga sele ubone ngani uyaqhubeka kanjani
Vele,
But if you take a gorilla and 100 prophets, behle bebiza umoya wabo Samson.
Mela, do you know why I think the 100 guys would win? If we're in some kind of simulation where, okay, the guys, you won't really die. So it's like in a Rick and Morty situation where you are just 100 niggas, but Ugufali Savi. But once we take out Ugufali Savi out of the equation, they're not men anymore because men are afraid of death. That's just what it is. If I'm picking 100 niggas against a gorilla, that gorilla is going to charge at 10 niggas. 60 are going to be discouraged immediately. So who said a 30? That's just human psychology. Unless, you know, and I feel like if you guys are saying, no, it's going to be niggas, then let's also soup up the gorilla also. They say the gorilla is dino. But why look at the chusa lazy gorilla and the chusa? Chusa ni gorilla is dino.
Wait, fair fight.
But if we're just going 100 average niggas, one average gorilla wins for me.
Yeah, gorilla is powerful.
Hey, but 100 is quite a lot, eh?
Yeah, but it's psychology, MJ.
Yeah?
This thing that people think is our advantage, strategizer.
And then
That is also our biggest disadvantage.
And then what do you think, like, if you have 100 men and then you replace the gorilla and you put a male lion?
Iceland was chai.
Iceland was China.
Iceland was deep.
Where?
Cholocho.
Of course it has to be. Why did I even ask?
It's cold.
Really?
even kule documentary yana ngobani don't hunted or veja wenza ku National Geographic kule silwane lesayisa sesihlupile kumbe ukusezambia kumbe kunga
Abajita Slanda.
abesilanda zavumelana zambe zahlala idala zasilanda zasithatha zabe zisidla futhi
Let's have a godo.
Basidla.
basidla
Inyama yesilwane iyadliwa.
bathi babe revenge ngoba zasidle kakhulu isihlobo sa
Oh, okay. I
those
see.
niggas but yeah ama-gents nje kodwa nxa esevumelene kungathiwa phakathi kwegorilla kule 10 kg ama-diamond mbona ingani imemba mina sezingabona iplan
That was for inspiration.
mbona ingani imemba sezingabona
Isilver
iplan
ilanele alcohol futhi land. Ayiswi.
sweet so I think okunye maybe i-motive but ngawuthe average singa beef up anything because like I think i-motive says beef up i-psychology
Yeah,
la average just for argument's sake I remember bazichava
But also maybe the guy who did the original tweet he say I think the line was if niggas are what focused or what.
yeah if they're down for the cause that's what they
So
say I
maybe
think.
we can keep that one.
But
'Cause
now,
that was the
if we
scenario he gave
assume ukuthi, like they are down for the cause and everything, and we assume ukuthi the
The gorilla
gorilla
la cause.
And we're down for the cause.
yeah, it's trying maybe to
Survive.
survive or to protect the young.
Ngoba
Still,
100 niggas once sesiqala ukutweak 100 niggas.
assume everyone.
Tweaking the gorilla.
Yeah, assume everyone is at
The
their
gorilla must have the
ultimate
cause.
strength. Madoda, hayi gorilla liyawina.
But are you saying if everyone is like
Is their ultimate strength. Yeah, both the strength, body, and the mind.
yeah, I think gorilla ngawina. I'm chance.
Yeah, gorilla liyawina.
Kulenye video lena secret gorilla chai chest yayo oyizwa.
Yeah, I watched ama simulations amaningi this week just to see ukuthi le strategy ukuthi gorilla ifully attack liqala ngobani belibamba umuntu so omunye limrepent to pieces libamba omunye and lidonse lidrake so
Mina mbona igorilla ngathi likhida kwenyaratho stand yani.
lilo kuyi-spin move kwalo lokhuyana igorilla lokhuyana kuyi-move lokhuyana ku-trick lokhuyana
Gorilla.
Like I know they know the guy in the costume gorilla likhida ngani standing say nyaratho zerative.
so beresemblani manje khona
Yeah.
beresemblani why bethatha igorilla
Uthi ngiyakwazi.
But their prices have gone ape shit.
Hey, you cooked it.
that one is fine
I think it was on Friday and Saturday, and I saw advertiser this album launch ka Japreza. there doing the funny dances.
Did you see? Speaking of gorillas, did you see? These white guys and black guys, they were singing Ingoma Lanu Waka Waka Shakira. So when that part came out, because this is Africa, those white people were kind of like pulling those black guys in, and they went in doing this. And everyone was asking, why the fuck are you acting like that? Why the fuck are you doing that?
Bro, what are you doing?
Bro, I swear.
Nenzani?
God, that's
And the
crazy.
Bagwens, they really thought they're doing something.
It's-
And worse, you know how wrong it is, especially for
Yeah, it's
Americans.
fucked up.
For a white person to be pulling you,
And then you come act like a monkey.
you see it.
Loko video lana egorilla ngayichaya chest yayo liyana ndoda ungayizwi sound ephuma lapana imembe lena mayizinanka yona so yana
Hayi gorilla.
mayizinanka
Sinanka
li
wena.
akuzwakala ukuthi iforce la
Yeah, into leza. Mina ngabona enye ivideo yokuonesilwa wodwa. Hayi.
but
It's
you know
intense.
Ah, ule powerning
you know surprisingly which African animal kills the most humans every year?
You win.
The hippo.
Yeah.
Really?
The people can fuck you
saw
up.
a tweet. Like they were saying, if you were to fight or get chased by one of these animals, what would you choose? There was a gorilla, a tiger, a hippo. Everyone was choosing the hippo. Because
bakwazi
That
smoke.
thing
it's
runs.
slow.
Bakwazi
So,
smoke
It runs
man.
at 40 kilometers per
Some
hour.
American.
In the
obviously it was
Lola,
an
food.
American. She said, what the fuck is he going to do to me on land? What happens?
Not
in the
even
education
Usain Bolt
system
can
there?
outrun
Just,
a hippo.
mina, this is what happened. Ngangimeasure ihippo and isiye emanzini mina siye tentini lapha lapha. And ngathi hayi into le nayagijima angiyiqala into le.
Please. If checkers it has bamba lapha. Try hippo is not even.
Hippo is not even, but it's also there in the list. But what?
Most human kills a year.
Yeah.
Or inyoka.
No, a mosquito.
Okay, so maybe I think my list was predators. I think the
It's
list
not
I
a
saw.
predator. It's not a
But
predator.
hippo is
You
not
must
a
be a
predator.
predator.
I'm saying sesibala mosquitoes sesibala ama-germs asibala ini-AIDS alright.
You are getting personal.
Hippo idlulwa idlovu le crocodile dog.
Really?
Yeah.
okay.
Hippo is
Guys.
down the list.
Then I stand
Number
correct. Then there's a new
Somebody
stats.
cover like
Number one.
Actually, number one is mosquitoes. Number two, humans.
number 2 is what?
Humans, then snakes,
This is in Africa.
dogs. Dogs kill people, dog.
This is in
Oh, yeah,
Africa.
they do.
Yeah.
Especially, you
okay.
know.
No, because what I know is part of the reason why hippos are so high on that list and unexpectedly is because of this outlook that people have on them.
Da kungusidudla
Ukwenza
lo,
ngenzani.
kwenza ngenzani.
So that's part of the reason why. Because umuntu engazothiwa kule silwane la uhle baleke. Kodwa engazothiwa
And they won't eat you andiyazi. Yakubulala
But lapha number 3 la. Kulenye list esengiyithole iphi number 3. Ismo yeah.
Ukwenza ukuthi mina
No,
kule list
yabulala
eyihippo number 1.
eceleni kwayo.
Maybe umuntu wabhala ilist wayesayizi iminyane. But iminyane ndoda
So
zebulala.
mina maybe ngayibona ingama mammals or something. It was a list of like inyamazana ezinkulu, i-mosquito obvious much.
Manje kulezinye kare sezibulala abantu eHarare mfana ami insikizi.
Ubona icartoon yana tsikizi zamdala.
Insikizi
It's for
for
ED.
hey.
Hey, it's a cartoon is there in public.
Can I ask what causes those things to?
Abantu bathi buchapa but no let's stick to fact checkers
it's just an
outbreak in
Bed bugs.
to ama bed bugs huh?
Is it the first time they're having that outbreak?
I think so.
Been prominent this past 2
But
weeks.
wena wayesithi buchapa ngoba zake zaba khona eEurope. Bangamachapa la Europe.
If you thought
Paris.
Uchapa
Ibuchapa,
bukona
bra.
Africa, have you ever been on? I'm
All
not
right.
being racist.
Let's try
And
find
I
out.
think
Be racist,
also-
nigga.
As is
Have
the
you been
science.
on white TikTok, bro? There's that guy who went around asking white people, "Do you wash your legs?"
Guys.
And they said no.
What's happening?
Only one said yes, and he said when I have a special occasion.
What causes?
So abanye
What
they
bed
bath
bugs?
once
Fake
a
right.
week.
Yeah, why they?
Amakhiwa cheka woka barefoot iqeda bengena engutsheni.
I got on a
But
page
guys-
Ngihlala la.
where they were talking about depression and what, and they
'Cause
were
it-
bed rotting. I didn't even know what the fuck bed rotting is.
Oh,
They're
yes.
like,
I didn't know
hey,
that
whatever. Ukuhlala empedeni, what? Omunye uthe waze
on,
kwakhula. Waze kwaba lama molds. Wa hold the mold competition. Bedroom ek. Waze kwaba lama molds bedroom. Kwakhula ithiwa ngwini lokhu yi lice or whatever, iku mattress.
But
What I
he-
woke up with back and said, I showed you the
Yeah, you sent the
screenshot.
That bed
screenshots.
bugs, but
And those were the
but izikhozwa introduceka
Yeah,
kwamangwazi
ama-bedbugs
from
outbreak
somewhere
kuphela.
outbreak, yeah, not necessarily uchapa chapa chapa
Introduction of what?
kufana nalento I think kusa cholera like kungabuya umuntu olayo lapha then momama miss
Mina yazi kuhamba njani? Lalela. Ngathi ngiseNamibia we bought a second hand couch and we didn't know lale nsikisi. Wangu-2012.
then
Yeah.
ziyahle zispread yonke indawo sikuthi vele ngamachapa
Not only that, it broke out to all of my friends as well because they'd come to my house, sit on my couch, esukela zempahleni, you sleep off, usukela
exactly
zempahleni.
that's how it
It
spreads,
got to a
yeah.
point othi ngathi ngibuya thanks bro. Semester break ngathi ngibuya. Ngabuya la sesikhwameni ngakwazi. Lapha namaye ngokusa fresh and mina ngangazazi insikisi.
wabuya lani?
Insikisi vele namiBia ndoda. Ungakwazi.
umuntu asihambele amazweni asiphathele insikizi
Ngizithwele ngesikhwama.
yeah
And
ne
then next thing zasala break out ngikhaya uma salu a month later semfonela. So mina I
What
think
do they look like?
you don't see them.
You just
You rarely see them.
so we are ubona ngani ukuthi
Uyavuka
ikhona?
ekuseni
You
ulunyiwe.
feel.
Whoa.
So
Yeah.
here's where it gets crazy. Ziyagcwala, ziya build up before you really start
So
knowing.
mele fumigate.
So mele fumigate.
Ngabe liwu at least uyalibona.
Eh.
With
Insikisi vele
Nantia.
awuziboni do.
Whoa.
You can never walk into your house
insikizi
uthole
uzumpanka
insikisi.
suchisa man
One day and uyabulokhu ulala Jane uvuka unwayo. And then one day you just show someone your back uthi chekola mlelo umuntu ethi ah khona ligcwele ama-bites ayipink ungakwazi. That's how you find out.
Oh.
insikisi. Yeah. So mina I think
kari lapha lingazi kuluma do they feed on your blood or what
I don't
or
even
it's
know.
just for
Ama-
vibes
Satanist amancane nje.
It's Mavuka and Mbari, right?
yeah
insikisi vele
Obviously.
mazi kuluma zenza njengomarudula zithi
Onkiss,
zidle phansi.
Onkiss,
Zenza zithi
Maybe Elaine.
Swafa.
Oh.
R.I.P.
Wafela ejele.
RIP
As
marudula
we say
What did he
today,
go to
comma,
jail?
warudula kokugcina wahlwa ngasaruduli
Oh
futhi
my.
Umarudula today, comma, he's in paradise.
Now I have a fear of going back, going emziriyazi makokoba. If they, do they even watch this? Abangibo. You know.
Mina
cha umarudula
ngiyazi
njethi ngazondi yo that looks
He passed
like
away.
a very stale beer what's happening there
No, PhD in pouring, my boy.
no way it's the
Ayangitshela.
amabubbles la amaswatch omzimba ebeer le afaka izikhali phansi la
Ayingce silver.
yeah maybe
Let's bubble.
Hey, right.
it won't smell vele nxa stale
Ikhona isimele esifanifani.
oh
Sithi who?
Kunini ngicela.
Kade ufuna uhlabe enye ingoma. Kade ufuna uhlabe
oh kwaze kwamnandi elele elele
Kwaze
Konyiwe Zulu baba sekonyiwe
ezizetheni ezingoma-40
Zulu baba sekonyiwe Zulu kwaze kwa nandiwe baba Keep brown choir
Nankati day, my boy.
so guys lithi dinsang senzeni ngensikizi before we move on
My visit to
Fumigate,
Harare
Let's
bro
fumigate.
Senze ngawuthi azagali chicken bucks chicken bus
ama-chicken bus vele nje ngekhwapha elinuka laphana I think ilebe linukelele
Ah,
ikhwapha ele kuma-chicken
I mean,
bus
I
ke
was
okanye
actually
kunukelele
telling my
i-KFC
team-
kunsikizi
I was already telling my team we need to start going
My
on
team.
CityLink, so we need to change our
So you just
travel
fly.
But yabo
arrangements.
nomnyama umuntu olensikize engene ku CityLink. Then it's a wrap.
Then it's a wrap still
umuntu
yeah
olesikiza ukuthi angene ku-fly.
ngithe mina ikhwapha le-chicken bus le
Now-
linuka ngani yi-steers kunsikizi so vela siyekhele
Lisithi kwapha. Lisithi kwapha.
bo shout out to you guys what up where you from eh you're from Nsikizi infested town eh what's up
Hello.
Likrend nice to see you guys that's the audience live we don't have enough chairs though
Usilama visitor.
Likrend, if you want to say something I can give you the mic
Yes.
if you want to say something do you want to say something say something
Alila ma
You're
shout
letting me
out.
down.
Say something. Is it anybody's
But
birthday
ivumi yena
today?
nomama wami oseyela kuzenini ku-radio 2 emsakazweni
Sasekuthi kula
so lithini guys
chicken in.
is there a way out of the Nsikizi way or
They just need to fumigate.
I think the government
they've
said
actually been fumigating but those things are
Akufumi.
stubborn now
the mayor went and did what I say Harare City Council started doing fumigation, but it seems now so government is saying we're stepping up.
So it's only a matter of time, boys.
So but bake bahamba represent free market le abantu be government. Babuye Bulawayo.
Hey, wena sihleze khotoni la. Let's stick with it.
Twa esiyambonela unyazi insikizi yakwasi nge-trade fair ubelo bani.
It's only a matter of time.
Wavela waba nesikizi.
Power.
Teach me Ndebele.
No.
Singakubona unwaya, you're teaching people Ndebele. You're showing people around. Ngathi batshengisa uSamriya samba umgwaqo lo.
Dlala. Hayi bengilunywa general.
It's only a matter of time.
Usebenzisa iPhone bani?
Ngiyabona unwaya. Wena. Angilayo sis. Ngapost disclaimer ukuthi since last year so.
Yakwazi kuyafana la nto. Uyakhumbula clip lanye ebhalwe I miss 2020. Abadala labana babe yithuba behleze ecencereni bekhala oyona nokhwehlela.
No.
Lena nomnye umdala besithi.
Oh, okay.
So kadesi in the next month or two ngathwebula nje ibulawa ngibona unwaya nje.
But vele it's only a matter of time ngoba ndoda I feel like Harare le Bulawayo are so connected dog.
Big
In terms
time,
of
dog.
travel. Like,
Mabhasa
Especially
asuke 10
abantu
every night.
abahotela.
so we're really singahleka abantu beHarare, it's only a matter of time. Lathi
Before it
services
gets
twebula
here.
khona na.
Uncomfortable. Ngaba ngane flight like 16 hours and ngapho ngile flow lana uthi umele ukhwehlele. Hey.
Isikhwehlelo sana sireva empinjeni.
And then I think it was 2022 just after kubo COVID khona pha so yabusesaba ukuthi bari ngike ngasiniza ongakhwehlela before mana ngiqinisele at least kuze ngane nyama kwe 5 minutes before
Nakula ama episode.
Yebo budget isikhwehlela.
Abe toilet uflash lapha na before usithi
Yebo budget isikhwehlela
Yeah.
manje.
uthi uzohlala phansi
No,
Kuphinde.
no shade. I once went eGwabalanda.
shade.
Right?
You mean
eGwabalanda right some years ago han. Amagezi ayehambile han.
Yeah.
Angihambe ethule laphana. Kodwa abantu ngangibulawa yisizwe han. Angawuthi endlini abakuthule ebusuku la. Ngiyaqasa abantu bangizophela abantu abona izindlu lezana. So ngicanga flash.
What would same time?
So fanana le ngizolokhe ngibuyela uma ngikhathe ka family. Kule khathe ka family guy.
ngasuqhumo wakho.
No so
Enguphethe kwakusinizwe enguphethe lokhimelela ukuthi ngabona
Umbani.
ngabona umbani ibe kwasikela ndilithandi
I want
isusu.
people to hear that I'm in the toilet.
To me aka 2 flash
abantu
40.
baphi
In the house.
Gwabalanda phela iGwabalanda ze
Khani manje no shade bingena. Oko Jane.
Boma 40 ngena nokukake. Ezobhotshisa ubafoti ekade kangaki.
Wena.
Mami nipheni yazi dog.
Kule sign J ko Jane egedini ebhale siyakakisa la 5 rand. Siyakakisa 5 rand.
Wakaka.
Ngoma
Wakaka.
Wakaka.
Yilo ko.
Wakaka.
Ira.
Hayi.
Oh mina nxa uyi-XM ngiyavula ntshinto enjalo egedini langini. Ngibusuku nabathi welidele egedini.
Phithile wena.
Amna nje
Ngicela ngithuma abantu berecord ekuseni liyakayikhipha.
yakakisa la. Mina yazi ipain yokushuta phela kulama episode esasiwashuta labanengi ikhofe li-fucked up lezi yazicava le.
Ini?
Cough.
Le ndoda yaye.
Asishuta ama episode njenge nesikhwehlele esi-fucked up sabe mina abantu bekhuluma ijoke behleke. Manje ngombo kwathi isikhathi yangena kuma debate na serious aboma 14 ngathi speech ama facts too much lapha. Ebisethi uyelani phela amakake nihleke phela.
Sihleke phela.
Mina size ngimhlambe but wena waqhaqhisa inye isikhwehlelo so what? Kona?
Yo.
Awuzange understand.
Yimi.
That thing is I won't
My
You think I would have let that shit go, nigga? Do you think I would have let that shit go?
Kuredeka ngathi ngosamuriwe lapha sengena lapha ku urinal. Ngiyachema lapha. Ngithi ibhuda zabane bemnyango lithi hey wena wahlanzelela lapho uza blocker. Awasithi hayi anihlanzi isikhwehlela.
Yeah, isikhwehlela sakho
It's so
lesiyana mfana.
embarrassing.
Yazi isidinji dog.
Yeah, isikhwehlela siphandle.
Hayi so trumpet
Kande
ibhuda.
flu angindawo. Mina
So
asipheli tota.
asikhulekeni. Asikhulekeni insikisi.
So trumpet ibhuda wami ngilethe.
Anyway, question of the day I was saying what? Mafoti My question was there.
It's with you. Andungadi kuma kuti question of the day ukuthi abantu
alright.
bajorela
Do you have it?
no
It's a
ukuthi abantu bajorele ukuthi bafuna uthando or bajorele ukuthi balambele they need to get something out of it.
question yakuthini?
No, I was just saying, eminye imjolo, especially lapha eZimbabwe, do you think yes abakhona nxa economy right?
Oh, that's not what Mafuti said.
Yeah,
By
my
your
photo
man.
was tangenting. You know him.
For
Kuthiwa-
women or for both
Kuthiwa
parties?
mjolo, nxa kuthiwa mjolo,
Mjolo.
it means it includes both parties.
Dijorele
Karinda wenzana kula majigolo.
Especially around
abantu bazijwayele
here.
isikafu manje singazenzisi la ungaba
Every
nenhlanhla no ungaba nenhlanhla you can do it for both which is fine
Yeah.
you can do it for
But
both
linga ignore
Do you
kujwele
remember
iskafa.
what I said that time? When I said the way you date when you
Mhm.
stay in Zim, I'm pretty sure you can relate. The way you date when you stay in Zim, and then the way you date when you're outside. You both don't want fuck all from each other. You just want the person as
bear.
they are.
You just want the private
Because you are
parts.
exposed to 100 titties, 100 bums, and what. You see all the six packs and what. And now, because you're now also able to, okay, the bag that's amazing here is not amazing overseas. So now the dating scene kind of changes. But obviously, lapha abantu abaningi kungathiwa economy sibili ayistep. Kule women empowerment, wonke umuntu esebenzisa imali yakhe. I think a lot of people wouldn't be together, especially in marriages.
Yeah.
Most people got married for the wrong reason.
Yeah.
ayisikafu
I
bazijwayele
hear you.
abantu fine
ungazibona ukuthi mfazi wami kakwe grateful
I-question of
I'm
the
doing
day kumele
everything.
siphikisane uproducer samtshela ngoba la sesivumelana la.
hayi
Ukuthi
thina vele
takes
i-promise
away.
sila sisatshona sonke kakhulu
Sesivumelana
we are
kakhulu.
morphing into one person
Sorry for ucotsha uproduce umsebenzi.
Yeah, so written warning. Eyokuthi imjolo eminingi lapha wouldn't be if it wasn't for the economic situation.
So does this mean?
La uvumelana
You-
la.
Bana Nkobuza,
You
does
can't
this
be
mean
fair,
ukuthi
man.
most
You can't be
niggas in
fair,
Zim,
Mhm.
no shade, have no game? You guys use the bag mostly.
no that's game
That's Harare guys.
no
That's
still
a
that's
rare
game
game.
No.
What
I mean,
game?
if you
That's
take
Harare
out
guys.
the money, do you think you can still?
Mina
but
I've
then you
always
can say
said
that about someone else and say if you take out the looks can you still
No, it's not the
what
same.
Mina
how
I've-
is it not the same
MJ,
mana ma 40
mina I've always said
mana ma 40
abantu beharare basebenzisa imali.
Let me use Komota as an example. Do you think ule reason yokuthi angathola inkazana?
Yikho phela uNkulunkulu wambusisa ngemali.
Imali.
Ngawambusisa
Easy,
ukuthi
yeah.
afake lo Chris Brown ngakala
UNkulunkulu
mali.
awuniki konke.
Ngawuthola amabhele.
But mina
Then kulabanye izikhame ezingana both.
mana ngutshela ukuthi abadala bathina esindebele
But there's someone for everyone anyway.
abadala
Akula
bathi
muntu
zithiwa
ofa enga-
ngezikudlayo. As long as uzithiya ngezikudlayo that's game of course you know if
So
you're a sportsman
if you have a big dick and you don't have
Continue.
have a big D. If you have a big D and you don't have
How?
man,
Ama-guest ethu apho mkusukuma hambe.
or you have money and a small D, who is most likely to?
Hayi but Jane umjakalazi uyabuvalile phela phakathi. It's something that gets revealed later on. Akufanani
point, soku too late.
Soku too late.
I think
Because once
when-
wahamba umqalo usithi lento encane gijile.
in
I
Bulawayo.
replace a big D with maybe looks yeah maybe like looks and charisma
Okay.
if you have looks and charisma and no money
Mina
or
always
someone
say,
has
abantu beharare babasebenzisa imali. In
But
Bulawayo,
I
for you-
think
for you to attract beautiful women, you need to exist in Bulawayo. Because here we have the
but-
concentration of beautiful women. Bro,
but
you just need to exist.
into esikhuluma kunye of course Breeze we are saying it's game because thiya ngezikudlala. But kulokunye lokhana nje ukuthi ufike uthi ungakazi wabona uJane. Uyifuna iPhone 16. Nansi imali iPhone 16. Then ngicila inumber zakho. What's that, dog?
you continue
What the fuck is that, bro?
let me
Uzwane-
let me qualify my statement
Igame yakhe.
Igame bani nale?
Igame yakhe.
no let me qualify my statement
Ngicela ukuthengela i-airtime uthi umphendule imessage yami. What the fuck is that?
Lalela, I feel like game part of having game is figuring out what you have that women want and using it to get the women you want. So for some niggas, it's charisma. Now, in the traditional sense of the game, before Saudi clubs inflated the league, it was charisma. Niggas, you know, game is charisma. But if you are other niggas use charisma and money and looks, others have money and looks, others have money and charisma. You know what I'm saying? So it's whatever combo works for you as long as I also feel like the asterisk esifaka khona is if you can get what you want without being used as well. Because once you but the rent, fine.
You're getting you. We're taking a mini airtime, Vanam. We're taking a mini iPhone.
Do you know sasidla ma-chocolates bra ovumjito yabo nyumuyichere eklasini yethu bra
Exactly.
uteje umthengele cheke mkazi nathi angifuni lokhu nasithathe sekuhle
Exactly. That's the point.
bro ibhare bra ibhare bra
I was just saying random things now.
Ama-shooters adlala ibhora nabafanele le mali. Kumele ube le bit of game. Then imali yakho si-augmenta. You know?
Now,
Boom.
you talk like this, my man, because I know you. You are a connoisseur. You're a cultured man. You respect the athletics of the planet.
Exactly.
You know? So if you're a man who are like hip hop purists, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, exactly.
Those people who take Kendrick over Drake. We understand where they're coming from. In the purest form of the game,
Mhm.
this is how it's supposed to be.
To be done, yeah.
Other niggas, I was watching Mobland. Have you guys seen Mobland?
yeah I only have watched two episodes only.
All right. So it's Pierce Brosnan in it. You know Pierce Brosnan?
What?
I know, don't change about your face, man.
So what killer?
Oh! Okay.
Wagcina kudala also sasitshela
As I
ama
was saying.
sasitshela i-audience yethu ukuthi wawuyethwasa so sicela usenzele 1 or 2 tricks enyanga
Kwasatsho njalo.
satsho njalo
Sathi wena lo mgcini lo vuyile ethwasa.
ngiyethwasa
Man, I like week yokwenza so.
So lalela in Mobland, there's Pierce Brosnan. You know Pierce Brosnan was a good-looking guy.
Who?
Pierce Brosnan. You'd know him if you saw him. He played James Bond in Diamonds. Anyway, he's like, he walks into this room, but he's like a mob boss. He's very rich. And then he finds like the ladies drinking champagne, their wine. Oh, they so let me introduce. Oh, this is what his name is Conrad. And then he says, "Ooh, this is nice. Friday, having some wine, ladies." And then one of the girls who's seeing him for the first time says, "Yeah, wine and a visit from a handsome stranger." And then he responds, "Case." And then he goes, "Careful now. Before you say anything else, I'd like to warn you that I'm also disgustingly rich."
yeah.
Now, that's a guy that can use his looks and his money. And that's game, dog.
Yeah, that's game.
That's game.
When's the part where Rana is to act at Ali Perry? Who is last James Bond movie? When's the part where I'm much at the jail? I'm acting Ali Perry. Did a whole part.
What the hell? How I blind? What the hell?
Do you know which there's a guy? Okay, let me say, when it comes to getting a girl into bed, kulo munye uyakwazi ukuthi usebenzisa imali. Like uyambona ehamba nochero wakho ukuthi ugirl low ulandeni imali. There's nothing else. Like you can look at him head to toe uzama ukukhuma like udinga into eyi-1 engathi ithi charisma whatever attractive and all right. Then kulo munye uthi uyakubhilivisa so and the isn't ayikho but akubhilivise and that time when you say never fuck up.
Utsho mlwana ukhuluma ngani uphela umoya libona ngani le game kumbe imali kuphela ukuthi uyapho ndozokuba ka 1000 kasi nabasi
they don't even tell you they're gonna give you, they just give you vele
lapha
sahambe ngemali phambili.
ngikhuluma nge-particular individual yona le yi-social life
Esethi ngiza kunika
liyani ubona ingani yona injani
God did it.
akula game lapha.
akula game laphana
Laphana imali straight unless
be
ungabuza.
confident but ama-paragraph akhe lana abhalayo mbona ngani ile ilokuyi-reason nyana uyabona ama-paragraph nxa isithengela umuntu imoto eyobhalayo lana
Actually lwana igame ikhona.
ile game lena
Yes, igame ikhona. I watched
ngoba yametsa lo mfazi katsho
talked
mlwana
about him.
ile game
Uyabona
Nobody
umuntu
come and do that,
okhuluma uyambona
Le game.
umuntu okhuluma ngumuntu ongalike that girl was charmed to death by that guy. Igame ikhona lapha.
yilo le game lo
Also,
lena
gents, a lot of niggas have game. But sometimes part of your game can also be supported by a little financial help.
Finance very escalated.
I know.
Yeah. Because
from being Aaron Piri to be here, innit?
Because you are saying some things while you're paying for the flights. And that just elevates the things you're saying. You're saying some things while
sometimes
in
you
a
need to
Range
look
Rover.
fly. It also needs money.
you
And
need
you
to
want
look
to
fly.
yako cost money. So that's game. Lami daily paper doesn't come cheap. So, it's that.
oi, oi.
We never said
oi,
shit,
oi,
bro. Me, I said they look good. I don't
oi,
know.
oi. Akumana dongira kamanya kumanya.
Oh, tongera kamanya kusiyaso
see.
pokumangwende.
Ekusto oi, oi, shonen.
I didn't
Oi,
see.
oi. Oi, oi, oi.
Well, I'm a man.
Ah,
who's
Lena.
like,
Usipuzise
bold choices.
upuzise ukuthi xa urekhoda nxe style yakho le.
Ufuna ukuya ngakati kusasa?
That shit look fly, boy.
Engaphi kusasa?
I got a bitch appointment, nigga. Why you asking?
You the bitch? Okay. Moving along. Lapha kulo garu.
We are just going to glide past what she said.
Kulo garu. Ubhali
No, ngoba
statement
noma
la.
oyile viscose lapha sengithi.
Hey, don't kill our equipment here.
Viscose yami.
Sebe kuthoshela ihembe la.
Sembele ihembe la.
Ihembe kababa omkhulu.
Hey, I want to buy a that shit.
Azoma futhi.
What about you? Is insolent.
So guys,
Continue.
there's this thing. I don't know now. I really need to fact check it, but I know how to kuruma okaro. But anyway,
Right.
these are then I'll add context.
So there's a minister of local government, right? Minister Garwe wrote a letter to yours truly, the mayor of
How do you
Bulawayo.
pronounce Garwe? Garo kome Garwe.
Garwe. Garwe. As for
Oh.
crocodile,
Not Garo.
right? So he wrote a letter to the Honorable, His Worship, Senator, Councillor, David Coulthard,
Minister of
Saying-
Enjoyment.
saying he's disgusted and disappointed and a lot of things why the mayor hosted and he invited and met with the king, with the Ndebele king, Bulelani Kumalo, saying the government does not recognize monarchs. It only recognizes headmen and gentlemen,
The funny part.
headmen and
Chiefs.
chiefs,
Head man. It's like men who give head.
meaning they do not recognize the Ndebele. He said the Ndebele kingdom is defunct.
Yeah, that's crazy. But
That's what
I don't know. People are going to correct me. That's what I was trying to appeal to now. During election time, there was this Mutapa guy who was always there at the rallies rocking a scarf, was claiming to also be a descendant, a Mutapa clan or kingdom, whatever. And they were okay with that guy because he was attending their things and doing all those things. So where do we draw the line now?
and
Also, what are they so afraid of, dog? What's going on?
so
Yeah, it's really nothing.
initially the idea has always been when you start recognizing the king Ismaili, that type of thing. Because now if you say we recognize the king of the Ndebele king, now we have to recognize the king that so they think it's the money thing. Now they have to, just like what they do with the chiefs. But the Ndebele people are saying, Uguti, Tina, we just want this for cultural recognition. It's not about the money.
We just want to keep the lineage
We just
alive.
want to, it's there. Umuntu nangu descendant ukona. We just want for cultural significance. Now, when you then look at the constitution of Zimbabwe, which the so-called minister also quoted, he forgot a very important part of that constitution that says, this is section
Yikho lapho
Section
esimfunela
63.
khona uma-40.
which enshrines our
You're
right to
earning your-
participate
You're earning your spatchcock
in
now.
cultural life of our choices. That's our choices in the very people. That's what we want to participate in. It also goes on section 16 says preservation
Preservation.
Ah,
of cultural
wakutotirasa
heritage.
manje. Ba- ba- ba.
Preservation of cultural heritage, which is what the Ndebele people just want. It also goes on section 32, calls upon the government of the country to respect traditional institutions. So the same minister is in violation of the constitution that he so claims to represent. In
So
his
a
statement.
constitution sometimes is like the Bible. Omunye lo mnyathatha ivesi akayifuna
Interpret,
ahambe la.
yeah.
Coma.
Khoma. Kulezinye phela zithatha, kulezinye zithatha
But-
ivesi liyane
but there are
ukuthi
certain
kholisa insizwa ebusheni bakho full stop.
but there are certain parts of the constitution that supersedes. There are certain parts of the constitution that supersedes most part of the constitution. The Bill of Rights.
Tuthi.
The Bill of Rights. Checkers mhlawumbe pose yaphuma kona. Mhlawumbe pose yaphuma kona. Mhlawumbe pose yaphuma
Calm
kona.
down. We're not in the
So
time
the Bill of Rights and
your show.
and the Bill of Rights and the freedoms, those ones supersede a lot of things in the constitution, right? Of which it's our right to want to participate in our cultural choices.
Nabe mvubu uthi uyi-descendant kabani?
Lobengula.
Kalobengula
Lobengula.
kumele bedisane Lobengula.
uLobengula kuyafundwa ngesikolo.
Mhm.
So he is a direct descendant of someone who is important enough for us to learn about him, but not important enough to keep the lineage alive. That
Yeah.
kind of doesn't add up.
Yeah.
That's what I'll say. I would say, listen, this is, I don't know what, anyway, their motive is. Maybe they think it's to drive up a political agenda.
Yeah,
Maybe
they probably think.
if it because maybe from their standpoint, if this is going to be used to drive up a political agenda, you can understand why they would come out defensively. But if the people are saying this is not a political agenda, we just want to keep the lineage alive, and they stick it to that, then
But usually that guy doesn't do a lot, bro. He just pulls up, especially into the eyes of Umzilikazi Tembe. Umzilikazi Tembe win. We haven't begqoke imvunulo, then they just, yabo. But bambe somewhere.
Because he's based in South Africa anyway.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Follow what you call
He really
says.
doesn't do much. Ukuthi umuntu ongazothwa sebemesaba ukuthi thwa.
But any movement that like creates a group of people together.
has to be watched.
Lathi si movement create a group of people la.
Ikuphi labathume zisithendile.
But then, do you know what then happens? Do you know what then? This that brings the question. The ruling government has always said they're gonna do whatever they will do as far as Ground is concerned, right? Now, if you are going to say a whole kingdom is defunct, you are trying to eliminate the whole cultural significance of some people. That's what Ground was all about. You're kind of repeating now what you guys are saying. You're trying to correct at some point.
Yeah.
So when you repeat,
because that's what is now. Remember, Islanders was created by the grandsons of King Lobengula. That's why Islanders is very, like, that's why people are so connected to it. Because that's a product of the royal family. Yeah.
Okay.
That actually makes sense.
Yeah, ngoba support abanayo. Lathi sithi ni podcast le ya Andros wami.
Kana kula umuntu weroyalty la.
Ngunkulumane.
Alila hayi mana Ntuli.
Hayi khuluma.
Hayi.
Silo muntu wakokhumalo la.
Bakhona abalobunduna la.
Yeah, silezi nduna la.
Abakokhumalo.
Silabantu bakokhumalo abayi2 la.
Bantu bani?
Omunye nangiyana phembe kwethu phela.
Then omunye lipolice. Isithendesho.
Is this enough bubbles for you? Be a Nazi.
Yeah. That one is enough.
You're still thinking about it.
No, just so it now.
Okay.
No,
but I think it's simply because you know how to pour.
Because I'm an alcoholic.
You didn't have to
I
say
know how to
that.
pour
I
like
tried
that.
to put it
Ngakho
in a
lana
nice
banata.
way, you know.
Ngithe ndidlula lapha ngithe ngibuya lapha ngiqume ngale ngabe ngibona amahuli emile lapha. And
Kara sethengisa ngama6.
Bayibabo. What time do Pinas open?
So kuyimsika
Yeah,
phela.
that ngo 10 extends is where. Continue.
How do you know?
I stayed in Avenues. Continue.
Wana mafoto wena.
Follow up.
Umafoto yakuthethi kulabanye abale swipe machine. Umafoto.
Go 5 street but I'm go 5th, go 5th.
Now.
Oh, 5th kulobani. Lo 5. Wakusimi isidudla kuphela. Unguslendani. Utshero nguslendani othengi babe ucocha but isidudla. Tak ipapano.
Oh, so one buffet. Uthi lapha kunamapoloni khona la.
Lapho kule mkhwapha.
Lapho kulama BP khona.
You say that too fast, bro.
Sorry.
Hamba kuma biltong ngale. Hey.
Every time I see actual prostitutes, dog, standing like on a street corner, the same conundrum plays in my head. I always feel like when I see, because some of them are really hot. That's a fact. Some of them are actually like really attractive women. So every time I see an attractive prostitute, I always feel like, excuse me, I always feel like we're because if you can't be that good looking, I'm sure you could find a man to take care of you.
Not about looks.
No, but listen. I'm building to it. I always feel like ngabona uchero muhle eyithengise Tareni. You could have worked your way into something with your looks. But then again,
It's a smoker.
but then the other side of that coin is ebantwini abathengayo vele mbona uzafuna uthenga umuntu nomuvi.
Bakhona baba bathengisayo.
Have you seen us in town sometimes?
Imarket yethu le you can't even count it. Ungahambe lokhuze nini lapha? Ungahambe private lounge. Uyakunyika ikhanda. No, but not imarket le, but lalela point yami.
Bayaphehla izinto.
Xa umuhle soyana nje ngokuthi uthola ibhare wena uyicila. Ikuthathe.
yikho ngitsho maybe bakwenzele okuyishop laphana amamolo anti agcwele sonto ubuthengi wenzani to uthengisa
You think it's
ama
that easy to finesse a nigga into doing shit for you?
No, it's not.
Kumele kube nezinto ozicholayo in the dark.
No.
Yamuzwa
no.
ngetwasa yamuzwa.
yeah
Baby Jane,
unyangeni.
Baby Jane. Ngiyakuzwa sibili la.
Guys,
Asikhuluma ngama-flights.
isense yokuthi umuntu elomfazi muhle ole everything. Umshado wakubhidliswe ngenye into icipho something I don't know.
Uyibambe kuhle mic. Uyazwakala.
Umuntu osebenza
ngiyamuzwa.
esaluni.
Ibhidliswe ngomunye some weird looking creature, questionable creature. Asuka hambe vele atheni ufuna khona apha. Umuntu angikhona engala even one attribute ongayibhalisa emfazini.
But
That's what
right,
I'm
muti
saying.
aside.
It goes
So,
even
no, still,
to those people who
so-
sell food. I'm just telling you, chaba echele.
Bakhona
Imithi yezisi dumbu what ukuthi lithe.
Izwana mina.
Bese kuthiwa
So, you
indlubu
think
lezana
those
ziboyilwe
don't do
ngepiti
No, but
kodwa.
my point is,
Beautiful girls do that.
yes, but my point is,
They don't because they think their looks.
Even beautiful girls do that.
Lalela MJ. So my thought process is,
Hey.
how do you go to selling your body on the street before you go to uzamuhlisa indoda, right? Umuhle hlisa indoda.
But Jane vele ngendlela imembe ezitesting ngayo nxa uyinkazana enhle ndoda. How many niggas abakhombisayo ngelanga
Let's
ndoda?
start there. Lagos meet us $2. You
Imalini.
should go to which talk / TikTok yabathathu. Uyangena umuntu laphana bamtshela ukuthi isihlahla lesi ungasifaka. Did you see that meme othiwa ngagcoba amafutha akakhazo noma ngabiza ku interview nginga-apply bayakucharge fucking 5,000 rands kuthe bhadala imali engaka ukuthi inhlanhla yakho yena
So-
vele first of all i-5,000 ayikho investment
So when I
i-capital.
would see,
Ah,
in
mina-
UK are stripping to pay their way through
Abalemiti.
college. Abalapha, they are prostituting to buy meat to hlisa indoda.
Yebo.
Mina Jane, I would believe your point.
I think imithi $2 ekhoneni abantwana abachakathi bayacharge abantu.
Ukuthakatha kokhona kuqalela ku pricing.
Dura. Wabona ni consultation ku Dr. Mayidura sir. You think umthakathi shortcut?
Yikho
That's how they're living. Kunamuntu obuvuka ehlala endumbeni engasebenzi but umpone nje ngimoto ezinga. Those people make people pay.
Yikho ngithi witchcraft yakhona iqalela ku pricing.
So kulalwani first level eh?
Mhm.
Bekuthi $50. Kuleminye so 500. Umbona umuntu ethwele imsebenzi kumbe izikhundla that he didn't even study for. They don't even know what the fuck they're doing and they just stay in power.
But
for so long.
mina Jane, I would like to think maybe I don't know maybe split sakhona ama percentages la ukuthi into eyenza umuntu ahambe prostitute, but I feel like laba abanye abahle abakhulunywa la Cape Breeze lena ke kube yi socialization wakhula maybe usisi wakhe kumbe umama wakhe ekapisa so la vele wahlanganisa zibone sele worth wabona konke kuyindlela yakwini so noma uzama ukumconvince ukuthi hayi no kulomuntu ongawuhawukela kuthatha yena vele kuye kusekho khona lo.
But can I ask, what do you
And I
what
feel like
do you
that's
think
the
is
larger
better?
percentage of those
A
prostitutes.
prostitute or someone who's sitting down and doing nothing?
Me like
but
Prophet
life?
Mafoti, all I say, these are demons. These are just demons, and you come to my church and I pray for them.
Mina, point I think it's some personal morals. Because maybe I'm talking like this because I feel like if I was to sell my body for, I would really be out of options.
Yeah.
I feel like there's
They
other
are,
things
and they
outside.
are born now.
Mzazi
I
amuhlisa
actually-
indoda.
But they are out of
I'm
options.
talking
please.
about real life. You know, it's easy to speak.
Amanje ama ikho ngikutsho ukuthi
Ma
Jake le
ubuye.
socialization kula ama hula abe labafana bama Honda Fit abayi2 bemshovisela yena kodwa esiyachayisa lapha ebusuku.
Right.
You already
Even
have the
people
means
in
to leave,
marriages.
nigga.
You know, some of those prostitutes
How's
they're
your
married,
businesses
they
now?
don't know about that.
So,
Aye.
Jane,
I swear.
As fallen love.
Jane, guys,
I swear it happens.
there's this happens when I'm in Harare, right? At this flat, hey, God forbid. I hope I want to go. There's this lady, bro. We are very official, my sister. Like wearing the 2-piece like official. I figure in niggas chitarana. Oh, kete gonna buy niggas. What are you level? Engineer rooming or that? It's a change. It's a street. Exen kusazo zamone situchara pana exen sena abo baba mone tuchara pana engine rooming am chitarana ekeze mone sere zinimpa se puma. It's in Spanish.
Married people,
But,
some of your wives.
I'm naturally born bitches. Video.
No, these are demons, bro. These are demons. They need to be prayed for.
Doing
When
it
you
for the
come to
king.
my
Also,
church,
they do ukuthi umuntu
But for me, I
sometimes
think it's
uyabona
desperation.
I need to put my hands.
Kulo
I need to
antu
lay my hands on them.
owafa, wakhesa ifamily yonke ukuthi
Ngobungumba.
and umendo aliwuswedi futhi but lingumba linjalo. Yabe kunedlozi linjalo.
I told you, demons, they need to come to my church.
Mana sikubisele kugobela.
Mfana, we missed you, mfana. Kunini ngisithi we missed you, bro. Fuck.
This one, she's
I
cooking.
want what Mcini is gonna come to say after ukutwasa kwakhe.
Yeah, he's coming. He's coming
Because
soon. Could I
she's
see?
fire.
Yeah, boy, so
She's fire.
I want to trust in the winning. God damn.
If he's a guess,
Good investment.
The more you're saying it, the more I'm actually thinking, "Uthi, maybe I keep saying, Uguti, ungambona Senlapa would be out of options. Maybe those people really are out of options. Because I feel like,
Yeah,
No one else to wake up.
I think Mina they're desperate.
20
So there's a novel, Otango Desperate, written by
nice segue, bro.
Virginia Peary. It talks like explain.
Veji wathi wakhuluma ngento zokuthengiswa kwama-veji.
Ralph. Yeah, but I'll recommend it.
So it's local.
Yeah, it's local.
Okay.
Called Desperate. Yeah, explainer civilly. Yeah,
Impilo,
yeah,
Thinking
unika
direction.
like the story ukuthi vele what drives them into prostitution, but now telling it like in a more creative way.
When I even go
Yeah.
2017.
like you see those things.
I don't know. Actually.
2017. Mina, I remember.
Okay, jeez.
I remember getting off an Intercape bus with my niece, right? Umgonami, but short time. And Tina sathi, sila mali. What about sifuna lina? And this is in Harare, right? Sifuna lina. So I said, as time goes by, we discovered we just stayed maybe 2 streets away from each other. Then she started telling us, I mean, Spanish. Like I had a job, I had Spanish, but things didn't go well with my boss. But I couldn't go back because so I had to. This is what I had to. This is what was available for me.
Blake
to do.
wathi ndoda uyafry amagwinya, thengisa amagwinya, yenza i-forex. Ubele mali.
Right. Do you know what the brain do you know the brain?
That was
No.
blueprint.
Do you know what the way your brain operates and the way my brain operates is different. For me, traumatic experience, we did it different. So my situation is not as easy for you.
Yeah.
It's easy for you to do. The option that comes to mind. Yena akano kunyunga phandle khonoko.
This series
You
of
get my point.
Soft Life, who show makes. This girl, her mom had a heart operation, and it was 200,000 rand.
Oh,
And she
Lani
started
Showmax.
meeting these niggas who were offering to just give her money. They don't know why she needs the money.
God damn.
She was qualified, she had a degree and
So
everything.
her life just took a turn like that.
Why ends a match bang 3 waitressing? What in one day? And then you start meeting these niggas, they give you whatever.
Agcine selova ngale story.
What team 7 she was able to pay for her mom's surgery in less than a year. Umama ke appeal. But then she couldn't stop now.
Because she's seen the money.
Hey,
But
you
you know
seen
what?
the man. You never know why someone
I
goes
can
in.
fuck with, maybe I
I
can fuck with, listen, sorry. I
Yeah.
can fuck with having niggas on rotation.
Yeah, akuya kumekhoneni lakho is just a different aesthetic, bro.
Hey.
Ukuhula like
$5
kuchiyene guys.
Hey.
Kulabosisi labana begula be-Instagram bayahula bathenga amajiwa khona. Lisihule laso on
Kule level
paper
yakho,
but
into
kuchiyene nto.
That makes sense.
Even IT, ku-field work kule level abantu aba-IT abasemkotweni benza bakwenza la wenza uhlezi ofisini, everything has its own
Download
levels.
WhatsApp. What does it
Everything has its
say?
level. So everything has its own level. It is what it is.
Yeah, I hear you.
It is
So
what
you
it
guys
is.
saying it's justified?
Whether justified or not is not for us to decide.
I mean, I am opinion in life. I'm not saying it's justified, but wait, you can't get at that. I'm saying, right? If you look at us normal women, like women who don't sell, and the ones who sell,
Who sell once off? You sell once.
there are normal women who are hoes for nothing. They
Naturally.
literally fuck for
Those are demons. I
alcohol
told you,
and
demons.
food and weed.
No, and for fucking.
And
Don't come
then
they
just
are
for
fucking
fucking.
They
Yeah.
just like the fucking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I kind of respect the one who's doing it for money because you have a reason. Yes, they might decorate it with some brutal fruits and tongue drinks. Yeah.
But I'm not gonna be very
Ubani?
winning.
Demon now.
Abanye
Awini
try
nje
i-beans vele iye lokusithi di so
Din, 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 din. Dindini futa afara isu. Dindini futa din din. Yabona ipitana kaze. Ipitana zingoma kaze. Din 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 din.
Ma-40 punch me, dude, that's all the time.
Something else, bro. What time, bro? I was something else.
But there's guys who do it as well. In SA, it's just that they don't glamorize it like Instagram. I know there's
But
four
Mina,
guys
I
that
would respect. I would respect an Insta girl
that are
saying,
in SA
"I'm
and
doing
they
this for
are
money," because you
selling.
can see the man.
Yeah.
They're not selling to women. I hadn't finished what I was saying.
Mm-hmm.
They're
Guys.
selling, yes.
Yeah.
They're not gay.
When have women ever bought shit?
They're straight. Actually, women do have money. It's just that if they don't like you, same as men. If they don't like you,
They don't like you.
there's a child woman but to spend on the next car.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ababizwa amalathi
No, but-
off air. Hayi.
Eh, Mboni Miliana, what that girl was saying, when will men learn that send me your pictures is such a turn off? And then one guy commented and said, that's crazy coming from you guys because that's the only thing you can afford to send.
Oh! Oh!
Like, what else can you send, nigga?
Damn.
Yeah.
A CV? Money? No.
Nope. So just send that.
Just send some ass, bro.
Mina mbone TikTok of these 4 girls bephosile besithi sidinga abafana abayizifebe siyabathengela utshwala nokudla sibanike imali.
Oh, bro, that is the Nirvana I dream of.
The
Yeah.
comment section.
That was actually said.
Take me.
That was actually said in jest because eqinisweni sibili ngoDecember lapha ngesikhathi sokuroka lapha akula group yama wena labangani bakho lengazake lithi ya asithengene ama Hennessy la yiwa abafana bayathanda sifake B&B sesidinga okungabafana okulahliye. But the opposite is true. But the opposite is true. Remember ziyathenga ama-ice strawberry lama-brutal fruit ezinganathiyo.
Wamuzu.
For why?
Website recently sithi yena akajoli lo mjitongo ongafiki.
Ongachithiwe.
Yeah,
Wathi wayithanda mina ngedwa.
Red
She
flag.
needs therapy.
Babes.
Because Mampinja was fast, eh?
Amampinjo ayefeva too much.
Wathi yena umuntu
With
ongamjithele
family,
ngamfuni.
friends, everything.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sekurayt ukudla.
Say again.
Family, friends.
What do you mean, family?
Like her
Family
family.
yadol. Family
Eka
ka-
babes.
Yeah.
Wayebona ukhazini kababes ethi lo uyabhebhe.
That's what he did,
Kanzinge
actually.
futhi.
Yaphomba ukuza umuntu esithi ukhazi wakho lona ngimthandi. Umngane wakho lona just know.
Yena ithi ayi
No.
ahe
I
khona.
thought you meant his
Hey,
family.
ngaze ngarealize during an episode.
Asivalele le episode. This was a banger, guys. Shout out to you if you're still
Oh,
listening.
actually, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to episode
172.
172
of the BYO podcast.
Coming at you live.
Today we got our superstar in the house.
Umatwasa.
Melissa J. After being AWOL for so long.
Yeah.
Good to have you back, bro.
Good to have you
I was
back.
training.
Guys, I'm actually realizing.
Oh, it's really
Okay,
coming to you.
hey, bro.
Oh my God.
Like a ton of bricks. Besithi sasihamba. Welcome to episode 172.
Maybe it's not that deep.
Woof woof. Hey, it's deep.
Wakunabangani bakhe ezingabathandi. Lezi hlobo zakhe ezingazithandi.
Oyi-one.
Oh my God.
Wena urealize ngesikhathi
Eh,
singayisiso.
benisithini?
Still welcome back.
Oh, thank you guys. Thank you.
We're coming to you live from Cotton
It's been
Lounge.
beautiful.
Make sure to, we know you guys show up. Like, subscribe.
Cottons grow.
Mina.
Oh, sorry.
Mina.
I just know it's you.
Ngumgcini actually.
What the fuck you talking?
Kule cartoon okuthiwa ngu-Legends of Chamberlain Heights okulonye utsho okuthiwa ngu-Mumble Mouth. Ongazwakaliyo njengomumble.
That's a spirit animal.
That is another clips ka-Mumble Mouth. Uzabona ngo-Mumble.
He playing.
Mumble Mouth. Oh my God.
Actually,
One time.
One time, guys.
andikhulumanga ngolokhu them.
Ngobani?
Ngomike G uthi utheni?
Okay.
Man, so stop it.
Nope.
Sorry, man. Shit, I forgot something.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, I forgot something really quickly. I'm gonna say this. What's all the same I'm saying? God damn it. Because I'll.
Sekhuluma make sure.
What am I even looking for here?
You don't know.
Yes, I wanted to say this. My boy Malo, you know Malo.
Malo, yeah. Malo on the
Yeah,
beat.
Malo.
Sasila I smokes on December. Kuba sasingama rockstar no December. Shout out to Malo, man. Shout out to Malo, yeah.
December was fucking crazy. Shout out to Malo. He has a song out, Lo Oscar Dirasco, Lo Alio. It's called Utando. It's a piano song.
Okay.
Mwah. Chef's kiss, boys. Mwah.
Sure.
Fucking
Ngeke
amazing.
ukukisa
So-
kakhulu malo la. You're embarrassing us now. All right, quickly before we go, you wanted us to talk about
Magji.
Meiji. Tell us about that.
He said, if it's coming from me, it sounds wrong. But then he said, mini smells, something like that.
How could you
No,
say
so-
that?
so-
But he was
That's what-
saying,
that's what
was
happened.
he saying?
They were talking
Does
about
she
the
smell?
relationship yakhe right?
He was implying.
No, no.
Okay,
He
yeah.
just started the narrative, and he's
Not
got quite a
really.
huge
Babe
following.
kuma
So
about
for him to say
relationship
that it is-
yakhe lo doctor is it peli, right? So she was saying, how come she's beautiful and all this and what? How come she can't keep a man?
Mm-hmm.
They're like, probably she smells.
Probably, yeah. Keyword,
Yeah,
probably.
that
But
wasn't-
still,
that
it wasn't
wasn't
like the nice thing,
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
nicest
people
thing
really
to say.
ran with it, considering the fact that she had been getting, she was kind of like on a hate train all along.
Mm-hmm,
Because you know how South African or people like to say Usman is washed, especially someone who's been pretty or been a
Exactly,
single
yeah,
for
yeah.
so long.
So yeah.
It
Umeke
worsened
lapha
everything.
na wakhutukacha lapha.
In the Wakamini with Meg, it goes a lot. Remember, she said Meg was a rapist at some point.
Where?
So Amanda run.
No.
Wait.
Yenu
Oh, Mac
meaning.
was a rape.
Where?
Karakunini. Like that whole there's a whole documented thing. So it's like very ule as far as meaning is concerned, it's
No.
always fire
There are
shots.
people who picked up clips of her Google roast of Minnie,
It's shame.
and it was a roasting show.
But
What?
not
They
ku roast
did
ku soccer zone lapha wa HM ukhuni.
Oh,
Yeah. What does he still play? Obviously wayenza face
She's been saying a
wabantu
lot of
bahle.
things. But now umfazi ka Meg G nomntaka so labo
catching the strays.
catching
The
strays.
problem. But and usola kachongo lutho uso futhi wayemdefend mina esithi ndoda wayezugijimela khona wayengasuggesta ukuthi maybe kakwazi
but
ukupheka
that wasn't
kumbe
wrong,
kakwazi ukutexta back. Usolo was
And I-
actually
and I-
defending Mini, but people were actually
And I
tracking
think
him.
also Meg was kind of throwing futhi ibizo la eka Mini onto our
make him ban you.
Meg G.
Make the stallion.
Meg.
Make the stallion.
Oh, McG. Okay.
So, what that girl? What girl? Mutuaman. That girl piano pause. What's her name? Tom, what?
Tombani.
Mm,
Tombani
what?
usiswa. Wayekushow lana Netflix
Piano
uTombani.
pause. She left.
Aka.
Mnaka.
Munaki, she left. And he is saying Guti probably Mini had something to do with it.
Why?
Why?
Ukuthi wamtshela eceleni.
Kumini kuphela.
That's
About.
like that's what I'm saying. That's what they were talking about in the same episode. They were talking about that. So it's like very he has already something against.
I saw Moja Love tweeting about it.
Moshe
saying
Love has actually like done 3 statements.
They are actually
Ngezinto
the
ezingekho.
epitome of black disasters. They film everything that shows black people in a bad light. So when I saw them tweeting, but I actually
No, that statement doesn't even have anything to do with them. Even Namhlaba posted saying kule enye catfish expose where, and they posted a statement. They're like, we encourage members of the public to not engage in cyberbullying. I'm like, you niggas. Lingena ngangona lapha vele in the first place. Embarrassing.
I mean, I think, to be honest, I didn't know the story until you guys brought it up now.
really.
I live
But
in a
yeah,
different
for
They were
Meg like
actually
it was a
tweet
bit low.
saying, is it a valid reason to break up with the person because they watched that podcast? I was like,
just like I
Because
think-
remember when people say unfollow podcast and show it, you actually gain 10,000 followers.
Yeah, it gained.
I mean, I think
that's one podcast you can't cancel no
Lale,
matter what.
I know.
Yeah,
yes,
no,
Lale-
no,
yes,
izaziphelela
Lale,
yona.
living ngiyibonile, but I didn't know the full context of what Mac had said.
Mm.
I think especially with
Meg.
people, when you do those kind of shows, there's always going to be selective rage about things you say. People just choose to be angry about this and they run with
Whatever
it.
they want.
I'm sure no make a compare. He can show you 50 things that are fucking worse than that he said. But I just feel like as someone who's in that space, whereas we've said it for 10 other episodes, we've said it worse, or we've said some things worse. It's just
Yeah.
comes with the territory.
I've actually seen that. Kulabantu Jay, kulabantu abasitha ngama-tribalist, like ngento stupid njalo. And then ungakhangela deep sake sa-reference ama-video kagogolwana ntutu weside. Lapha ubonti lapha even bengastrika lapha abe right, but they didn't.
Another good example, when they saw episode and they guys have feeling, they didn't even know she's Shona.
Yeah. And they Baba
Just
rage.
Just went off.
Blaster.
Mm.
Ekatafilini, podcast.
Oh yeah.
Baba Larry,
Blaster.
that's what I'm saying. Cause Tina, ungathatha lokho yakho kaTafi uwe laphana play clip yokagogo la isithi ha mina abantu abami. That's even
George,
worse, dog.
thina sake sablast off into ezazikhunywa nguNotha la.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nangikhangele kompana online ngiloke ngithi hey shaba zidla inkabi zami but kungena into
Like
engayenzi.
what the fuck did we say?
Hey, these guys. Like they start even referencing other things.
Abangenela ngelafu wathiwa la lo uphomba ukuhleka athi yo hleka sokuyicala nkosi yami.
The next time I'm going to find
Hey,
Zasuza, all
whoever
right?
that was, fuck you.
My motto is you can say whatever you want about what I say, what I do. As long as my impact.
Opinions are like assholes. We all have them.
Yeah,
I know what you
opinions
mean.
are like assholes. Everyone is entitled to have one. Simple and straightforward.
I wouldn't
my
say
fault.
like that. I would just say it comes with the territory. So you
Yeah.
you just have
Occupational
to-
hazard.
I
Occupational
mean,
hazard.
it's simple. Get your own microphone, cameras, and open your own goddamn thing and
Yeah.
speak the way we do. I mean,
But he'll bounce back.
He's back, that's why I think he cares.
Umakate, umakate.
Umakate very hard down.
Meg, look at Thank you so much.
Guys,
Thank
shout
you so
out.
much, guys.
See you
Have a
next
great
week.
episode.
I'm not going to be around. Yeah, see you next week.